Today I'll be showing you guys how having a healthy lifestyle will equal to a longer life. My name is Jamal Wood. I'm a sophomore at Melville College, majoring in physical education. My objective is to teach the different kinds of physical activity and the benefit it has on the body. This slide here is my creative slide. It shows where all my information comes from and the information that it has. The arrow at the bottom of the screen goes back to the link to my first slide. So the first thing I'll talk to you about is cardio, which is one of the three components of physical activity I'll be explaining to you. First, having good cardio reduces the risk of having a heart attack. Also, reduces the risk of fatty liver disease and increases your stamina while you're running. This is a video about cardiovascular endurance and the effects that it has on your life. This house represents a link back to all my topic slides, which will lead me to my next slide, which is muscle strength. Having strong muscles increases your strength. It'll help you able to lift more weights or lift more heavier objects. Also, it reduces your injury. You'll be able to be more bearable and can endure more pain than most people when you have big, strong muscles. And also, having a lot of muscle strength means you have a lot higher stamina than a lot of other people. With having high stamina, you're able to carry longer. You get able to carry heavier objects for longer distances than everybody else. And of course, here's another video about muscle strength and how it's a benefit to your life. And lastly, being physical active equals out to a better you. Better sleep, better mood, better you. Being physical active increases your sex life. It makes it better. It helps you fall asleep faster, and while you sleep, you're in a deeper sleep, so it makes your sleep more enjoyable. And exercise delivers oxygen to your tissue, which helps your cardiovascular system work more effectively, so you'll be able to breathe more freely, and you won't feel like your chest is trapped. And here's also a video that I got on YouTube that explains the better you, what I mean as a better you. Hopefully, you guys learned something from my video about having a better physical lifestyle and how it has many effects on you. Thank you.